So, another AQA A-level question on the mechanics topic. If you want to do the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. So, a railway truck of mass 2,000 kilograms travelling horizontally at 1.5 meters per second collides with a stationary truck of mass 3,000 kilograms. After the collision, they move together. Which row is correct? So we've got a collision situation here, and what I would call would be a before and after situation. I quite like to put a line where I've got my before on the left hand side of the line and my after the collision on the right hand side of the line. So before the collision, I've just got this one truck moving at this velocity, so I could calculate its momentum. In fact, this will be the momentum of the whole system, because the second truck isn't moving at all. So I got a mass of 2,000 kilograms multiplied by 1.5 meters per second. I've got a momentum of 3,000 kilogram meters per second. Now, momentum in any collision or explosion is conserved, so the momentum after the collision is also going to be 3,000 kilogram meters per second. So I'm going to take this same equation and rearrange it to make the velocity the subject. So the velocity is equal to the momentum over the mass. The momentum after the collision is still this 3,000 kilogram meters per second. But now we've got the two trucks moving off together. So they've got a total mass of 5,000 kilograms. And that means, if I put those numbers in my calculator, they're going to be travelling at 0.6 meters per second. Those are the two possibles at the moment. What about the kinetic energy? Well, we've got the kinetic energy equation. Let's put some numbers in again for the first truck. The mass was 2,000 kilograms multiplied by its velocity of 1.5 meters per second. That gives me a kinetic energy of 2,250 joules. I don't have to worry about the first truck the second truck in the before situation, because the other truck was stationary, so it had no kinetic energy. Let's use the same equation for the two trucks moving together. That's going to give me the energy is equal to a half. Two trucks moving together have a total mass of 5,000 kilograms, and they're moving at a speed of 0.6 meters per second. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I'm going to get an answer of 900 joules. So the kinetic energy has decreased. Answer B. If you thought this was useful, if it helped, hit that subscribe button please, hit a like button, share with your friends, and watch more in the series. Thank you very much.